Hi, welcome back. How to verify your YouTube channel with your phone? Verifying your YouTube channel is having its own importance. After login, click on channel. Our icon is updated here, not yet updated here. This is our channel. Here you see, click on verify because if you see monetization ineligible is there, because first you need to verify your channel, then only it is eligible. Even external annotations not enabled. Some features gets activated only after verification. So first click on verify. It is asking India and text me with verification code and enter your phone number. English change language or I'm entering my number. Sometimes it will say this number is used more times, then it will ask for another number. Click on submit. Yes, I got the message. I'm entering and submit. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Continue. Now it shows like this, it's verified. That is what you have to do for your YouTube channel. I hope you do verification for your YouTube channel. Have a great day. Thank you.